Good evening, folks. Computer dinging at me. Kevin here, but you all know that. Or most of you do. Tonight, I would like to apologize to everyone. This is a cigar and whiskey talk on a Monday when it's supposed to be. Having a little Green River here. And an Alec Bradley Magic Toast. Actually clipping the end tonight. So, apparently, by having a cigar and whiskey talk on last Friday, I have single-handedly disrupted the universe for some folks. I apologize. The very first comment on the video was, what on a Friday? Or something to that effect. I got multiple PMs and some text messages and a whole bunch of other stuff. Basically asking me why I was doing a cigar and whiskey talk on Friday. To be honest with you, it was out of aggravation, since I had been working on the sectional all day. And it's not the first time I worked on it. And every time I work on that thing, it gives me high blood pressure. I'll be honest with you. But apparently, I should not have named it a cigar and whiskey talk, because even though I was smoking a cigar and drinking a whiskey while I filmed that. And yes, it was out of frustration, so I apologize. Up until the last few days, I did not realize how important these cigar and whiskey talks are to some folks. I enjoy that they're popular. I don't know why they're popular, I'll be perfectly honest with you. And once we get into that monetization process on YouTube, they are never, probably never, going to withstand close scrutiny by the YouTube gods. So, when that time comes, I may have to revisit those. Or maybe not. I don't know. I haven't decided how important that is to me. But once again, thank you for all the comments. Thank you for paying attention. I really appreciate that. And I am sincerely sorry for disrupting a few of your universes. With that being said, I will try to only release these on Mondays like I've been doing. But no promises. Anyway, I appreciate all the comments on the last one about proposed videos that you would like to see. I will try to make some of the interviews and stuff work out, but I can't promise that. Mainly when me and the other guys are together, we're all really busy. Now, the way I make videos, we can make them pretty fast, but some of the guys are pretty particular about figuring out what they want to say and how they want to say it and how they want to present it and what they want everything to look like in the video. So I don't know if we can pull this off, because about the only time we're ever together is at classes. So I'll see if I can pull it off. No promises. As far as the other stuff goes, as with always, I'll see what I can put together, but no promises, because I don't know what I'm going to do from day to day, because things come up. So, with all that being said, why don't you throw some comments on this video and let me know what you would like covered in Cigar and Whiskey Talk, because usually I just throw these off my cuff and I don't really plan them out, to be honest with you. So there are things I would like to talk about. By the time Monday rolls around, they're usually outdated, so I don't really want to bring them up again. So knowing that if we plan these out, by the time I throw in my 2 cents on stuff, it may be over and done. Anyway. Still my most popular video from a couple of years ago is that review on that Chinese Boreal shirt. I guess you guys are still pumping that thing out there. A few of you have told me that. I don't know how it comes, how it keeps coming to the top. There must be a lot of you pumping that video, because I don't pump it anymore. But unlike some folks on YouTube, I really appreciate the views no matter when they come. So if you watch a video within the first 5 seconds of me putting it up, that's great. If you watch it before I take it down in years later, I don't care. A view's a view. We probably ought to talk about that. There's a lot of folks that complain about how YouTube promotes their videos, and YouTube's not going to promote most of our videos because, quite frankly, we don't make them any money. And YouTube's a business. They're in business to make money. So, with all that being said, some of you get notifications from my channel and other channels and so on and so forth. And let me explain to you how I believe that works. How it's been explained to me. I have never talked to anyone at YouTube to verify this, because, quite frankly, you can't talk to anyone at YouTube. Not at my level as a YouTube creator. That's for darn sure. But the way I understand it to work, if you have so many thousand subscribers, and so many thousand of those have clicked to be notified on your video, or when you release a video, the way it works is when you release a video, YouTube sends out notifications to a percentage of those people who have been notified. Then, if those people respond to that notification within a certain amount of time, YouTube sends out additional notifications. So basically, if the response to the notification is not high enough, YouTube stops pushing your video and stops sending notifications out. And you might want to think about that. Everybody says, well, not fair. They should notify everybody. No, they shouldn't notify everybody. Think about it. I have over 7,000 subscribers. There are other channels out there with less subscribers, and there are a heck of a lot of channels out there with more subscribers. Look at my buddy Sean Kelly. He's got over 1 million now. And think about it. If all 1 million of his subscribers click that notification request, the notification bell, then do you honestly believe that for the 65 or so million creator channels that are on YouTube, do you really think they're sending out that many millions of emails just as soon as somebody uploads a video? Think about the resources that would take. Now, it's automated. But think about it. Think about how much server time they would be tying up. Not just for their servers, but for the target servers as well. So, that's why they do percentages. If it's 10%, 20%, I don't know what it is. Think about it. If all 7,000 of my subscribers click the notification bell and they send out 20%, that will be 1,400 videos. Or 1,400 email notifications that they would send out. So, that's a lot. But the kicker is hang time. They want to make sure people stay on YouTube long enough to make money for their for their advertisers. So, if people aren't responding to those emails, then YouTube's going to move on to something that's more productive. And that's how it works. So, I don't care if you watch my video as soon as it goes up or 6 months from now, because quite frankly, this is not a source of income for me. So, I'll take the view when I can get it. But maybe I'll feel different if I'm making thousands of dollars from YouTube like some folks do. I will probably never be in that boat. So, with all that being said, I apologize for disrupting your worlds. Got a little in the mustache. Y'all have a good evening. Hope to see you in the woods. Class schedule starts at the end of February. Classes are filling up fast. If you want to sign up for a class at the Pathfinder School and come see me in the woods, which some of you don't think I ever go outside, come on over. Hey, use my link in the description. That way I get credit for the sign up. See y'all later. Bye.